Hi, and welcome to my video in Scratch. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a race car game. So let's just pick out a sprite. Let's do a car. So whichever one of these. I'm going to choose this one. You could choose another one. Okay, so change its size to 35, I guess. And you don't have to do this, I just like it better. But I'm gonna make this a little bit like this and a little less tall, because it is very long. So then we're gonna make our track. So we're gonna have to zoom out and then fill in, like, just get a green or whatever background you want to have. Okay, so I'm gonna just do green. And you can add as much details as you want. You could probably take a long time doing this. Then add its paint to 100, and it's very good to paint this, just so you know. It makes it look very like a track, because it's not gonna be perfect. Like, nothing's ever gonna be perfect. I liked light gray. Do whatever you like, whatever color. That's kind of track-y way. Just draw a circle. I'm gonna make it a little bit fatter, because this is not even that big for a track, because painting is not, that's pretty big, but we're just gonna have to go on. And then we're also gonna have to create a finish line, so paint that too. Basically just make a rectangle, then you can just make like a rectangle. Make sure it's small enough to fit in there. Okay. Whoa, it fits directly. That's really never happened to me before, actually. But I haven't made this game that much times. So on the car, you're gonna have to grab a when right or left arrow. I'll do right arrow first. Turn right. So if right arrow, key press. And there has been a problem that hasn't really, I've never put this in the coding before, but this has happened many times. So this might actually fix that problem. Because if you press it at first, it'll only turn one time, and then it'll turn a lot of times. Then it takes you a lot of times to turn, a little while to turn. So if repeat until not touching right arrow key. Let's see if that works. Oh, it actually works, but definitely not 15. And that problem is fixed. Probably that much or whatever you want, but that's going to be the difficulty. Or you can make it easier by making it turn more, but sometimes easier. And that problem just got a whole lot better. So then just grab a when left arrow key pressed and duplicate this. Put it right there. And then whenever left arrow key pressed, turn 4 degrees that way. And I accidentally deleted the other way because I thought I accidentally duplicated it. So let's just see if this works. Press play. And okay, I didn't even press play. Let's just press on this. Oh, also remember to put a forever around it. Well, you don't have to. Actually, I don't know why, but. Oh, no. Oh, it's because forever. Yeah, do not put a forever loop. I thought that there was something wrong. I thought it was just not working because. Okay, there's something wrong with this. Oh, left arrow. Remember to put like in the key, like memorize it so it works. So let's put the car right here. Make it turn towards the way. Actually, you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it. So make sure whenever actually, never mind. So you're gonna have to create a variable that's called score. Make sure to call it score. Do not call anything else. You could, but it would be pretty bad because you wouldn't really understand what's right here. So then you do one clicked, and then a forever loop. Actually, no. Then it'll go on forever and it'll give you unlimited points. You could test that out, but let's just stick with it normally. So when clicked, if touching sprite 1, then change score by 1. Oh, and there's also one more thing. Remember to do one clicked, forever, move 2 steps. So that is it for my game. If you liked it, then give a like and make sure to subscribe. And actually, you can make it go faster. You can change how many changes as you want, because this doesn't have to be my creation. It can be yours. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and give a like to this description below. Write a comment in the description below. And also remember to put your forever loop around this. Bye. Have fun coding.